In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best FarFetch promo codes or coupon codes or discount codes in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and right here at the search box type in FarFetch promo code and then hit search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free promo codes, and you can open up any of that websites where you can find some different promo codes. For example, the first one gives me $60 off. I can tap on that coupon to see, actually here is the discount code, and then I can tap on it once, then hit on copy to copy it to clipboard, and now I can move to FarFetch website where I can buy their stuff, and just before paying here any money, don't forget to use that promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. For some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or to another site, and from here you can try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.